It's June 14th, 2011. We're at 160 Warren Road. We've currently got the camera in the line where we opened it up in the easement, and we've pushed it all the way from the back alley easement all the way up to the house. What we're looking at on the screen right now is the point where it changes from cast iron coming out of the house to clay pipe going out toward the easement. We're going to pull back slowly, locate a couple of problem spots, and mark them, and basically look at this line after we've just got it clear, pulled a large mass of roots out right at the fence line in the easement. And we're going to start pulling back now. It's clay pipe now. These come in 3 to 5 foot sections. We're going to stop right here. We have a slight separation and a lot of roots. We're going to mark this point. Okay, we've located this point. It's still relatively close to the house where we plan on putting a two-way clean out. We're going to continue back now. We're pulling out of the pipe downstream toward the easement. We're going to go locate this root mass as well. Okay, we've located this point on the line as well. We've got 2 red flags up close to the house that indicate these issues. We're going to continue to go pull back toward the easement downstream. Another clay pipe joint with some smaller roots growing in it. We're about 10 or 12 feet from the house right now. The clay pipe joint looks pretty good. No roots. We're about 15 feet from the house right now. Another clay pipe joint. Some roots growing in this clay pipe joint. Not excessive, but it does indicate that the line is breached and roots are growing in. It will be an issue at some point down the line. Other clay pipe joint looks pretty good. Another clay pipe joint looks pretty good. We're about 20 feet from the house now, going toward the alley. It's a clay pipe joint about every 3 feet. Little roots hanging in that clay pipe joint. A few more roots in this clay pipe joint. Another clay pipe joint. About 30 feet from the house right now, coming toward the alley. More roots in another clay pipe joint. We're going to mark this one as well. This is the 3rd flag from the house. The clay pipe joint with some roots hanging in it. We're only about 10 feet from the hole in the easement now, and we'll continue to pull back. This is almost just 3 or 4 feet past the last flag we put in the ground. Another clay pipe joint with some roots growing in it. We'll continue out toward the alley. We're going to locate this one. I think it's almost at the fence line. This root mass is just about 3 feet inside the fence line. It's marked with the 4th red flag. This is another root mass just at the fence line. We've only come a couple of feet from the last one. This is located just inside the fence line. Another root mass. We're just about ready to pull out of the pipe now. Here we are now coming up out of the pipe, and this is that hole in the top of the pipe is where a large root mass was growing in, which was causing the last severe blockage. We're going to show you the cap that was on that piece of pipe. This is a cap they had on that hole, and if you flip it over, you can see all the roots that were growing out into it. And we'll just look around at the hole in the pipe in the ground. It is plastic pipe going out to the main, and let's show the plastic pipe. There is a plastic pipe. We're going to reconnect to that and put an approved clean out here in the alley, and then put a clean out at the house as well, and then evaluate this video and the line. We're going to call this end of video.